Guys, what is up with Walmart batteries these days? It's got a Walmart battery, was installed December 2023, so it's got a 3-year replacement, which means it's still under warranty. This battery does not hold a charge. It doesn't hold a charge at all. If I leave this car sitting here for 3 days, the battery is dead. It's dead as a hammer. And I know you're going to be saying, well, there may be a drain on the battery. I've checked for parasitic drains. There is none. Parasitic drain is in the microamps. There's nothing wrong with the car. It says right there, 3-year warranty. 3-year warranty, and it was replaced 12/23, which means they should replace it, right? Well, let's see. I took it to Walmart, and they say the battery is good. State of charge 100%. This battery is fine. There's nothing wrong with it. This is the second time that this has happened to me. I didn't buy this battery. Somebody else bought this battery. But this also happened to a friend of mine. She had a car, Walmart battery, wouldn't hold a charge. I took it to Walmart. They tested it. They said the battery's fine, no problem. I even had to get jump started in the Walmart parking lot because the car wouldn't start after they had just told me that the battery was fine, nothing wrong with it. And this lady ended up buying a new battery, and that fixed the problem. So what is it with Walmart batteries, guys? Have you had this same problem, and what did you do about it? Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below and tell me if you have any advice, any suggestions.